This is what happens when you try to use one Korean word and it sounds like an English curse word. 안녕하세, 안녕하세요, hey you, it's Natalia, and welcome back to another Learn Korean with K-pop video. You guys have been asking me to revive this series, so here we are, learning 8 words with BTS's Mikrokosmos, so that we can sing along, or at least attempt to sing along with BTS, so we're prepared for our concerts when they're no longer postponed and we have a date. I'm smiling, but I'm not happy. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, go. If you've followed my channel for a while now, you would know that I love, and I mean love, teaching you guys words that appear at the beginning of the song. Why? Because it just gives us confidence with it, like, yeah, I know Korean. Even when, you know, you don't, because I don't. Anyway, so the part that we are going to be going over or learning words from sounds like this. So the first verse, as you heard, is 반짝이는 별빛. I'm like dancing like a crazy person. But we're learning 2 words from this verse. So the first word we're learning is 반짝이다. So 반짝이다 means to be twinkly, to be sparkly, basically to glitter, if that makes sense. Like, and this will make sense once I teach you the second word, which the second word we're learning from this verse is 별빛. So if you know the word 별 or you know the word 빛, this word will be really easy to learn. So 별 means star and 빛 means light. Da-da-da-da. So when you say 별빛 or star and light together, it's starlight, just like in English. So the verse again is 반짝이는 별빛, right? So the twinkling starlight, 반짝이는 별빛, or 반짝이는 응원봉. Basically, I just said the sparkling light stick. Okay, it looks pink in the camera, but I swear I made it as purple as it goes. Okay, all right, cool. So the next verse in the song is. So here the word we are learning is 깜빡이다. So 깜빡이다 means to blink, to flicker. So if you're talking about a light like this, it means to flicker. If you're talking about your eyes, it means to blink. I think you can also use it with your memory. So like if you're talking about remembering something and you use this word, you're talking about your memory being like blurred or like hazy. So 깜빡이다, to flicker, to blink. Those are the important definitions that you need to remember for this song. And here the word we're learning is Pinata, and I love, and I mean love, teaching you guys the word Pinata because I hear it in so many K-pop songs, not just BTS's songs, so I think it's worth learning. So Pinata means to shine or to twinkle. Yeah, to shine or to twinkle. So here when they say 우린 빛나 거일 내 B is saying we're shining, bruh, we're shining. Okay, the next verse we're learning words from is actually J-Hope's when he says 어떤 빛은 야망. So here we're learning 2 words. So the first word I wanted to introduce, I actually kind of said it before, but that is 빛. So again, 빛 just means light. And then the next word we're learning is 야망. So 어떤 빛은 야망. So 야망 means ambitious or ambition. So here he's saying 어떤 빛은 야망. Some lights are ambition, or some bits. This is what happens when you try to use one Korean word and it sounds like an English curse word. Okay. Oh. So 야망. So if you were to use this word in Korean, you could say 야망에 가득 찬 눈빛, meaning eyes full of ambition. Gosh darn it, Natalia. Okay, so the next phrase that J-Hope sings / raps is 어떤 빛은 방황. And so some lights are 방황, and 방황 means wandering. So when he says this verse, he's saying some lights are wandering, which I think it's important to mention that in some translations of this song, you'll see the word 방황 translated as like rebellious, like there are some lights are rebellious, which I don't agree with that translation because 방황 means wandering, and what's the opposite of ambition? Wandering, aka not knowing what you want to do. 방황, I've never seen it translated as the word rebellious before. I tried to find example sentences where it was used in that way, and I just didn't find any, so I don't agree with that translation. All right, so the next word we're learning is in the next verse. So that next verse is 사람들의 불빛들. So 불빛 is gleam or a glow, and a light. It's just a light pretty much. So it means the same thing as 빛, and this is why I think BTS's songs are really difficult to understand when you first listen to them, because they like to use different words that all have the same meaning. So you have to have a very expansive vocabulary to be able to understand them without like actually studying them. But so here they say 사람들의 불빛들 모두 소중한 하나. So people's lights are all precious. I hope you guys learned at least one new word today, and if you're ready to learn more words from BTS's songs, you can check out this video down here where I teach you words from BTS's Fake Love. Hope to see you there, and 다음에 봐요 guys. Bye!